Hi everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video we're going to open the Studio Calico kit of May 2024. Oh, what a fail. And I remember vaguely the kit. I remember it was cute, but honestly other than that I can't remember much. Ooh, I did got one extra of these sheets. Let me flare this. Of this little word stickers, and you know I love a good little word sticker. If you're new at my channel, I love a little word sticker, and I chose to grab the add-on stamp for this kit. These in the past were part of the kit, but the quality was a little lesser, so people were complaining, which I get it. I'm a little bit of a snob with stamps. I like the option of adding it to the kit now instead of being an automatic item from the kit and having lesser quality. This is a lot better, and I love this one. You would think that I would go for the phrases, but no, I wanted the orange, the lemon, the little stars. You know I love a sprinkle, so these are perfect to add in the background. I'm obsessed with this one. So cute. The projects that the creative team made, really cute. Good things happen here. I love the paper on the outside, and usually there's also something on the inside. Lately is a giant tag, which I don't know how to feel about it. Maybe because I haven't used it yet and it's not too friendly, to the formats I use. In the past year, they had a bunch of fun ones. My favorite one was one that was all words, and if they could just do that, I would be over the moon. Again, I love little word items, and I love this tag. I might cut this and put it either in a frame or just put it on the side of my calyx. It says the universe needs more humans like you, and I love the simplicity of it. Maybe I can cut 5x7 this would be and put it in a frame. I actually like it. Here I was talking about how I didn't love the text, but this one is really cute. And we already showed the little word stickers. Love that. They are pretty simple, noteworthy, endgame, speed bump, totally awesome, 5 stars, my journey, rock star, stay focused. A lot of little simple things that fit for every day, and I love that. Now if they can make this an item for every month, I will be over the moon. We have some acetates, which I also love, and we have these alphas. There's a name for this font, and I think that the one from April was the same font but in yellow. This is really cute, and I love these little sentiments with the stars and more little word stickers. We have remember, all good things take time, yes, no, so much good stuff, this was awesome, the very best day, the here and now, making progress, and then good things, have a good day, squeeze the day, you're deceased, focus on this. Really, really, really cute. Love the colors. It's not, I feel like it's a transitional, like the month of May is, even though it falls under spring, depending on where you live, it gets really warm. So it's a good transitional from spring to summer kit. And here we have this really cute flowers, the lemons, the oranges, little dots and sprinkles, which I love a sprinkle. I like to do a little cluster of washi tape, little word sticker, a sprinkle. Oh, another kit with no washi. Oh, I'm sad. But we have little word stickers. You can't have it all. So, although I would have changed the acetate quotes for washi tape. Do I need washi tape? No. Do I kind of want it more? Yes. But I'll always pick washi tape over other things. This is really cute. This would be really good for layouts. And I think I need to get a little closer, just a smidge. And we have this darker green, pink. This is green, but it's very light. Yeah. Basically the same colors. You can mix and match. You can pick the same colors to put together. And they have a clear film, so you have to remove that when you use them, but I love an acetate piece. And you can put this next to a photo and you still see a sneak from behind or whatever pattern you put on the back. And then we have these. And now these I remember. I don't know if they're vellum or acetate. I think they're vellum. Yep, they are vellum. Let's see if I can grab the back. So we have lemons. Today is going to be a good day. And I love these little phrases. They're adorable. These are just apples, flowers, grid, crosses. It's a good day to have a good day. We have oranges too. We can't leave those behind. Living in the here and now. Celebrate all the little things. So there's 2 of each and they are so pretty. And I love like when you put 2 together, the colors are going to mix up. So you can make like a big cluster, especially if you want to do a title card. Then you can put around a bunch of these and then take one of these plain ones and just put the number, label, and stamp the dates. That would be really cute. And as always, you get like a bunch in the tiniest package. That is the clown car embellishment from Calico. They do that a lot, which not complaining at all. Oh, and this paper, I have high hopes for this paper. Not only because of these 2 first ones. First impressions matter. And I like when they put really good ones right at the beginning so they can grab you. So again, the universe needs more humans like you. This would be perfect for a title card. You can put photos. I think it might be too dark, but you can still read a few of these sentiments. They're double-sided. That's a pretty pattern. We have a whale with flowers. Goals for this month. Mid-month check-in. More of this, less of this, and final results. It's pretty cool. Could be really good for tracking books too. We have a big, I love this for if you put a photo in the middle, like the cluster like I mentioned before. A really nice 6x8 layout for people that are doing 6x8 albums. This would be a good travel card. We have a week. That's really pretty. Squeeze a day. You see, this would have been a good washi pattern. Now I'm gonna do this until I'm done with the papers. This would have been a cute washi. Important stuff about today. Just some things I want to remember. That's really pretty, and I love this red with the pink and a little bit of black. Calico does really well with color. Good things take time, and I like that messy handwriting. It's ironic that I love a messy handwriting when it's printed. When I do it, I need to practice it like 40 times on a paper before I actually go to the actual project. This right now. Oh, this is cute. Possible washi tape pattern. Enjoy the now. This looks like a little bit of like a horror cover, but it's really cute. Currently reading. Oh, I love this, and I love their digital products too. Whenever they have a $1 sale, I stock up on the cards, but now they're doing a whole kit that it's digital for $10, which is not bad. You have all of these cards, you have the items too, you have the stamps, so I think that it's a pretty good deal. But since I have this, I would wait for a good sale, because I would pick a few items that I want to use over and over, like this currently reading card. Oranges. Oh, tiny dinosaur. It looks like a plushie because he's kind of chunky. So much goodness. This is a really cute pattern. This is pretty. This reminds me of that collection by the Retail Girl from Simple Stories. That has been one of my favorite Simple Stories things. Really cute also. Possible washi tape pattern. It's going to be a good day. Good things happen here. Quote of the month. That's really cute. Oh, this is really pretty. You are unstoppable. Oh, I wish I could do more like that. But however, that is something that you can also replicate on your own. Just grab a black piece of cardstock and do it with either acrylic pens, gel pens, color pencils. Here and now we have that background from this. I've seen a lot of green versions of this. I hope they add a blue also. Good at naps, on a roll. We have the same pattern here again. Quote of the month. That's really nice. And there's a blank one. Weird. Okay. I hope I'm not missing any. I'll check later. Celebrate every tiny victory, and they did it again. Love that. Books to read. We have some patterns. This is another one that I would use often, maybe as a monthly checking of what I'm reading. Today is a great day to have a great day. Stay positive. Life is hard and you're doing great. That's for everyone that needs to hear it, including me. Sometimes I have no idea what I'm doing. Also me. Love this. This being a very cute pattern. Really, really cute. And here we have plus signs. I'm doing whatever I want now. We have a subject here, but this could be a really good weekly card. Some roses. This right now. Also love this big 6x8 page. Progress report, the goal, and working on it every day. The world is your oyster. And on the background is the same thing, but with block letters. It looks really pretty. I love a grid. Enjoy the now. This would be like a really good intro for people that do 6x8. And then we have one page that also has tiny elements. Also a great page to print and use over and over. And when you use digital items, you can print them bigger, smaller, all that, and just have just the facts. You wouldn't believe me if I told you. Tomorrow is a new today, the days of the week, and other items. I love a label to stamp my dates. This one is really cute. I would buy a whole pack. Well, not pack, like when they do, I have one here, like a sticker sheet, like something like this. That one I use a bunch. It's right here. It's coming in a process video. Their official rainbow page. Doing this for me. Good things come to those who work for it. It's a good day to have a good day and squeeze the day. Super important stuff. That's really cute. Maybe for the highlights of the month. And this super cute flower pattern. So let me see. My favorite item was the little word stickers. No contest. But this kit was really cute. What would have made this kit one of the best ones this year was washi tape instead of these quotes. Not that I don't like the quotes, they're really awesome, but if I had to pick between one or the other, I would have gone with the washi because I always do, but that's a personal thing. So let me know what was your favorite item. I am crazy about this. Let's have more of these. Yeah, let me know what's your favorite item. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.